we got an LG Stylo 6 to work on. This phone needs a new charging port, and to start, we're going to start by heating up the back glass and get inside. Heat up the glass, get a splicer in there, splice up the adhesive, just a little more splicing to go. Take off the back cover. Nice. And now that we got the back cover off, let's get to work on that charging port. First we got to unscrew all of these screws right here, as you can see, so let's do it. Magnet mat, electronic screwdriver, pretty cool, huh? Screw. Screw. Take off these panels. The stylus. Pretty neat. Panel. Like this and this.